This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a project and importing your audio now. Do this immediately to lock file paths and settings. Once the file is in, choose the language and set speaker detection, because accurate language selection reduces errors. If your audio is long, split it into shorter clips for faster processing. Make sure to confirm sample rate and mono/stereo. Descript reads those, so transcription quality matches your recording. Once you click Transcribe, pick verbatim or clean transcript style. This determines punctuation and filler treatment. While Descript processes, add speaker labels so edits map correctly to audio. After transcription, skim for high-confidence segments first, then use Find and Replace for recurring misheard words. You should listen to low-confidence markers while editing text. That way, edits fix both transcript and waveform. Use shortcuts to speed repeat edits. This saves time on long interviews. When you finish edits, export captions or transcript format that matches your delivery needs. Descript supports SRT, DocX, and plain text. Export the cleaned audio if you made cuts or removed filler, then do a quick timing check to ensure captions sync. If the output has persistent errors, recheck the original audio quality, re-record or apply noise reduction, then retranscribe those sections. If language or accent cause trouble, switch language settings and transcribe again for better accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.